Good morning, people. What's up? It's Kiara here, and today's video is gonna be super fun. I'm gonna be taking you guys along. I'm doing lots of wintry festive things in preparation for Christmas, so I thought let's just bring you along. Right now I'm just getting ready for the day because Katie and her little sister Jamie and I are gonna go hang out, and I'm really excited because I haven't seen Katie in like 2.5 weeks. Anyway, I'm just picking out my outfit. I'm honestly having kind of a hard time deciding. Lulu's was nice enough to send me a bunch of really cute things from their winter collection, so I am literally obsessed. If you guys are in need of some winter outfits or just like cute things for the holiday season, I would definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down below to all of these items plus like their website, and you guys can peruse. But I got this Free People sweater. These bomb jeans are from Lulu's. They're really high-waisted and they have this cool belt thing, a really cute white tee, and a nice corduroy jacket. Plus this hat is so cute. If you guys know me, I'm obsessed with beanies. Whatever I decide to wear, I'm gonna wear with Doc Martens. These are so fun, and I got the ones that have the zipper on the side, so they're really easy to take on and off, which I love because I feel like I'm always taking my shoes on and off, and I hate when I can't get my boots off. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. My father just made me the most delicious breakfast, banana pancakes with berry syrup. I'm really pretty lucky. I decided on this Free People sweater from Lulu's, these cute pants, and of course the Doc Martens, and I'm also wearing it with this little brandy necklace because it was the only one that I brought home that wasn't tangled. We're just waiting for Katie to get here. Hi. Hi. You look cuter than me. Wow. I know, the room remodel. What is this? It's gonna fall. Okay, we're going to Katie's dentist. Eventful. We're gonna eventful. I am like anal, like I cannot eat before the dentist. It stresses me out. Like I think that my eating before the dentist. No, that's why I wanted this is because I had coffee, and apples clean your teeth naturally. Did you know that? Did not. That's why I wanted an apple. Walking Katie into her favorite appointment ever. She wants to do before and after. Tell me I have to get my wisdom teeth out. By the way, my wisdom teeth video is going up in like a couple hours, so I'm like low-key nervous. It's just a random video.
I was at the dentist for 2 hours. I sat in the chair for 2 hours, and my mom went to Starbucks and literally left me here.
There she is.
I see.
Look, it's 6-year-old Katie.
It goes back so awful.
We're back from the dentist.
I want Starbucks, Jamie.
I have to pee. I hate that I can feel the stitches and I chew on them. I got literally the only thing I can eat right now.
Feeling hopeless.
Been onto myself, aching, begging you to come out. And I'll be up without your kisses. Hi guys. Jamie can actually sing. What? Are you on autofocus? I was young. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. The poor California girl is cold.
You're literally not even a California girl. You were actually freezing. You were an Oregonian.
We're going to this place, which you guys have probably seen all over Instagram. It's got it's got a bus on it, and they have juice. Jamie found it. Thanks, Jamie. That's why we have you. All right, so we made it to the really cute food cart place. It's cute. We took a bunch of pics. We convinced Jamie to be our photographer. Thank you.
Literally the best juice I've ever had.
What do you think? Mine? Really? I really like mine.
Little banana.
I got the berry ginger thing, and I love ginger. Behind the scenes taking pics, Jamie and Katie Mac. Literally this entire week, all I've been having is this soup. So here's for round 5,000. It's gonna be good. The moment he's here.
This cheese is delicious.
I told you. Okay, Katie, do you want your Christmas present?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to figure out. Wait, I need to figure out how far away my appointment is.
Yes,
really
you
quick,
do.
because I'm feeling stressed now.
In the meantime, I got a package from Black Queen. So Urban Outfitters was having mega sale. They were having extra 50 off of clearance. So naturally, we got these boots.
Oh!
I should have gotten those for you for Christmas. I should have ordered you some. They were so cheap. They were literally $25 for boots. I just got some simple basic stuff because it was like $5. Oh my god,
okay, that looks like, tell me that's not meant for my thigh.
I have this top in black and I liked it. It's really comfy. So we got a little miniature beanbag. It's kind of funky. Don't know how I feel about it. Okay, there we go.
Welcome back to my ASMR.
I've had this wrapped and prepared for you, but I didn't make a card.
Why is this so big? What is this?
I don't know. You're gonna have to open it.
Promise I got her a present too. I just have it at my house because I didn't realize we were doing this today. I'm so nervous.
I'm so nervous.
What is it?
Welcome for it, Kiara. Aww. What? Merry Christmas!
Ah!
Merry Christmas!
It's so cute!
Okay, you have to open the other box.
I know, but I want to see this first. What?
So I was gonna get this for you all along, right?
Yeah.
But I was really nervous about it. I didn't know if you'd like it. So I asked Brendan about it, right? And he's like, no, I think she'll like it. Even if she doesn't like it, she can use it for decor for her room. I'm like, perfect, I'm gonna buy it. Literally a week later, Brendan texts me and he goes, guess what Katie just told me she wanted? A record player. So I was like, what? I don't know. I'm so sorry. Oh God, that was a bad fall.
Quite the tumble.
Oh my God.
Is it okay? Is it broken? Is it broken, Kiara?
Okay, I think it's okay, but we might have to do some surgery later. Are you guys good? I don't know.
Open the other.
Yeah, open the other box. Oh, she's good. She's got this.
Strong fingers. Big little Christmas present.
I love Michael. You know.
Me too. He's coming to Portland.
No way. Oh, this is kind of cool.
Whoa!
No.
Cool looking.
I'm just casually waiting for my car to defrost. I'm driving to Katie's right now. We're gonna decorate cookies, have fun, get in the Christmas spirit, so. I arrived at Katie's house and it literally looks like a full-on winter wonderland. My camera is so messed up. When I vlog, I'm upside down.
Oh my God! She's upside down.
Look, we're upside down.
What? It's Christmas trap music.
We set up Katie's Christmas present. Well, we're doing some wrapping. Katie redid her room for the millionth time. It looks really nice. I really like it. Katie and I are gonna get into our matching Christmas pajamas so we can be all comfy and then we can decorate.
So I might not be able to wear mine actually.
Katie's PJs were dirty.
I feel like this is a bad idea. Not with the vlog camera.
Oh my God, please do not hurt yourself. I'm standing in front of the door, by the way. Oh,
I'm scared.
ah! This is not gonna work. I'm being the mom that says no. No. Oh my God, do not do that. No, you're already concussed too much. Why are you the weirdest person I actually know?
Okay.
Did you just cut yourself? Oh my God. See, you're already injured. See, you're done. We're here with our cookies. Rue, I'm sorry, this is not something you're invited to.
This is not a dog-friendly video. I'm just gonna go at it.
I don't know how one could ever actually decorate cookies for a living.
I want to eat this. I was out of it for a minute there, and I was like so concentrated on my cookies. This frosting dries. I want to do a star. All right, everybody has to make one of each. What is that?
That's what I was gonna ask.
It's like a turkey.
No,
Santa's
turkey.
literally a turkey
That's
with
a Santa head.
That's his hat.
My first one is a stocking.
I need
for the
like
ducks.
tweezers. Kiara, I need to eat this.
Eat it.
3, 4. Okay.
We have plenty of cookies. I'm not the best frosted tier.
I've always wanted to make one of those cakes that has a really smooth frosting, you know?
Yeah, the fondant.
Where they take a little knife and they like
But you
have it
know,
on the
I don't
wheel.
think fondant actually tastes that good.
No, it's all for looks. Actually, like wedding cakes are fondant, aren't they?
Some of them. I kind of want my wedding cake to have flowers in it.
Somebody
I'm
was
never
talking
gonna
about
get
your
married.
wedding the other day, and I got really, really scared because if
My
it's
wedding?
anything like your 21st,
It might be a little extra, huh? Is that what you're saying?
Are you
Extraness?
roasting her, Katie?
If you don't want to be invited.
Whoa! Thinking
Yeah.
more in having a part with helping you plan your wedding.
Oh, I'm gonna have a wedding planner. Don't worry, it won't all be on you.
I don't know if you guys can see my stocking, but the one cookie that I have made so far.
It's a work of art. Hey, Jamie, do you approve?
I love it. I'm trying to make it look good.
You're welcome. Taste test?
Look good.
Mmm.
Look at
Oh my
that.
God, Jamie, how are you guys actual artists?
I do go to art school.
Oh my God, Katie, show the camera.
1, 2, ta-da! Who got green on the red? Caitlin says you would be on the red. No. I need water. Can you get me?
Oh yeah, can you get a
No! It was like, okay, it's not focusing, but it was, I like drizzled it across and then I dropped it.
This is my favorite one so far.
Look at how cute my Santa. Are you even gonna be able to see this? So how do the beauty people do it, Kiara? Is it like this?
Yeah. I wanted this to look.
Oh no! You know what? Probably fine.
I don't know.
What do you guys think?
Let's show you guys the finished cookies, shall we? This is the finished look.
Oh, wait.
Oh wait, Jamie. Oh, let's clear a spot. Cue artsy montage.
I
almost just kissed you on the
No, you like actually thought you guys.
I almost.
I
hope
hope
Matt
everyone
felt like fun.
has a wonderful
Holiday.
Christmas.
What should I comment?
Merry holidays.
No, your favorite cookie.
Love you, vlogs. Bye.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and coke.